You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Before you pack that first box, there's important groundwork to lay. Moving internationally means navigating paperwork, duties, and strict custom laws. If you're moving to South Korea, here are the documents, rules, and customs you need to know. Here's your checklist breakdown. First, documents you're going to need. Your passport, a PR card or a valid work permit, at least 12 months validity, new Korean address and contact number, a detailed inventory list with item values, marine insurance certificate, and custom declarations for electronics, vehicles, or luxury items. Here are some important custom rules. Items under 6 months old are subject to duties. Shipments over 1,500 have duties applied. Strict regulations of any electronic equipment or vehicles. And prohibited items like narcotics, weapons, and some foods. But SDC International Shipping is here to help. We handle your inventory creation, your custom forms and translations, your insurance planning, and your logistics and document support. Skip the stress. Let professionals manage the details so you can focus on the excitement of your new life. In the next episode, we'll cover your best shipping options and how to move your household safely and affordable.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.